Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And thank you all for coming back to my channel. Thank you for your continued support. And I'm here today with my December daily for pages 24 to 26. So let's get this show on the road. So we're almost to the end. Okay. Now, number 24, all I want to do on day 24 is maybe put a little journaling part there. Maybe. Let me see. No, maybe. I want a side pocket. Where's my other side pocket I had? It might have to be trimmed down a little. But that's alright. Okay, I have it going the right way. So we do have to trim it down. Right there. I'm going to put this to the side. Re-glue that. Okay, now we're going to cut this here, which is just a Christmas gift bag that I kept and sewed to some regular paper. Okay, so we're going to put that down right now. Okay, here's our pocket opening. So I want to put this in here. So we have some journaling here, but I see it's too big. So I want to go down a little this way. And then we're going to see what way we want to do the other way. So we have it openings here. And we got that perfectly. Now I trim up to right there off. Okay, now we're going to round 3 corners. Like so. And I want this just for journaling cards, so we're going to put it right there in the pockets. And we're going to glue our pocket in. Bring this in and glue our pocket right there. And page 24 is done. Now we're going to go to page 25. Now, I want to use something a little bit different on this page. So let me see what I can do. Let me put all this back. And this one, because we're not going to use this, at least not right now. So I'm going to put that all back. And we're going to pull out. Call it Slater. I think. This one's a Zippet shop. It's Vintage Creates. The Vintage, yeah, it's Paulette Slater. Okay, for this here, I want to put something like this, but that's too big. So we're going to fold up a couple of her little pockets, and we're going to put a tuck spot. We're going to use that as a tuck spot on one of the pages. Also, let me see here. We can also use that. And maybe we can use a music sheet. So let me see what I want and how I want to do it. So I'm going to put this to the side. Whoops. Whale. Put that to the side. And see. I think this is the right size here. So this is the right size. But when we put this little pocket, it's not going to fit right. So I'm going to go with this and this here. So I want to trim it right about here and right about, I'll do that side first. Oops. We'll go this way first. Well, now. No, it's this way. I had it right the first time, but now I have to find where my mark is. Trim that. Now we're going to go this way. Okay. Let's move all this out of the way. I want to mark it right here and mark this again right above there. So we're going to trim this off here. Then we're going to turn it and try to find our mark. Oh, crud. Well, now we have to change the way we put it doing this. So we want this cut right there. Like a that. And now we're going to take it and trim right about here. Right on that music place there. And I'm saving all my little scraps now. And that's a perfect fit, but no, it's too big for the page. So we have to go down a little bit more. So we're gonna go here, right about there, and here. Maybe. We'll see. Right about here. And then turn this and go there. Get rid of these two. Whoops. Well, I'm throwing it on top of my keyboard. And that's perfect for the page. So we're going to go ahead and glue this on. Like so. Now what I want to do is take my finger and measure the side. See? Like that. Now, we're going to take this and glue it right in here because I don't want no pocket here because everywhere else has a pocket, has tuck spots. So I want this completely covered and I want it completely flat. Like so. I'm going to hold this for a minute. Make sure everything's stuck down. Now we're going to move to day 26. Okay. Now we're moving on to day 26. Now, maybe just take this, make a pocket. I will. I want it right there. Okay. Now this one I want to round the corners. If I can find my corner rounder. This is going to be a pocket. Maybe. Maybe I'll make a top loading tuck spot. Yeah, I'll do a tuck spot. So I'm going to just take it down to here. And right about there. Okay. And this page is done. Not yet. Not quite. I don't do that quick. So now, let me see. Tuck that in there. I see we do. Let's move this to the side. Move the pin out. Let's make sure this is all straight on all sides. There we go. Okay. Around this. I'm going to leave it plain because it's already decorated. Now we're going to put this right there in the tuck spot. I need to trim it down a little more. So we're going to put here and right there. So we're going to do this side first and then find where we put the other one right there. We're going to re-round those corners. Bring this back over. And we have a perfect tag for the tuck spot. So now I'm going to bring this up a little. Yes, there we go. I'm going to put this on the edge. Hold that there, and we're done. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So remember, you always where love is made, everything is made with love in every stitch. So please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.